For over a decade, Elon Musk has promised to take humans to Mars, but every deadline passes and we're still stuck on Earth. Is he lying? Or is there something far more complex and terrifying behind these delays? The truth is, getting to Mars isn't just a matter of technology. It's a race against time to save our own species. And the obstacles we face are deadlier than you imagine. Radiation that destroys DNA, atmospheres that kill in seconds, and a journey that can turn astronauts into ghosts before they even reach their destination. But the real question isn't when we'll get to Mars, it's whether we'll survive long enough to even try. For Elon Musk, Mars isn't just exploration, it's an insurance policy for humanity, and he has terrifying reasons for this urgency. Earth is a cosmic target. Asteroids that could wipe out entire civilizations, supervolcanoes that could plunge the planet into an ice age, global pandemics, nuclear conflicts. Our species is literally one catastrophic event away from total extinction. Musk sees Mars as our backup, a second chance for human consciousness to continue existing in the universe. It's not science fiction, it's pure survival. But to get there, he had to create something that defies all the rules of space engineering. Forget everything you know about rockets. Musk's Starship breaks all conventions of space exploration. The insane material, while other rockets use exotic and extremely expensive materials, Musk chose stainless steel. It sounds crazy, but it's brilliant. This material withstands the cryogenic cold of the fuel and the infernal heat of atmospheric re-entry. It's cheap to produce and can be repaired anywhere, even on Mars. The Raptor engines, pure power. These aren't ordinary engines. They use a combustion cycle so complex that it burns 100% of the fuel to generate maximum thrust. And here's the ingenious trick. They burn methane and oxygen, the same gases that can be produced in Mars' atmosphere. This means Starship can literally make fuel on Mars for the return trip. It's like having an interplanetary gas station. The impossible process, but here's where it gets truly insane. To reach Mars, Starship needs to be refueled in space multiple times. Imagine trying to fill a car's gas tank while it's flying at 17,500 miles per hour around Earth. And that's just the beginning of the problems. Before we reveal the true obstacles delaying Mars, if you're fascinated by this epic space race, leave a like to help this channel bring more revelations about humanity's future, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on our journey to the stars. Now, let's get to the truth about these deadlines. 2015, humans on Mars in 10 years. 2016, first cargo mission in 2018, humans in 2024, 2020, humans on Mars in 2026, 2022. Humans on Mars in 5 to 10 years, every deadline passes, and Musk announces a new one. But he's not lying, he's battling the relentless reality of bleeding-edge engineering. Every Starship prototype that explodes isn't a failure, it's a $100 million lesson on how not to die in space. Gravity doesn't negotiate, physics is unforgiving, and Mars only accepts visitors every 26 months when the planets align perfectly. The journey through hell, the journey to Mars, isn't just long, it's lethal. For 6 to 9 months, astronauts will be bombarded by cosmic radiation that penetrates any known shielding. It's like undergoing a continuous X-ray for half a year. The result? Destroyed DNA, multiplied cancer risk, brain damage, cardiovascular problems. Some astronauts might arrive on Mars already condemned to death. The killer microgravity without gravity, the human body literally falls apart. Bones dissolve, muscles atrophy, eyesight deteriorates. Astronauts might arrive on Mars physically incapable of surviving on the surface. The impossible landing Mars atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's. Imagine trying to stop a freight train using just a sheet of paper. That's what Starship faces when trying to land 100 tons of equipment on the Martian surface. And if they manage to land, that's when the real problems begin. Mars isn't just inhospitable, it's actively hostile to human life. Constant radiation without a magnetic field or dense atmosphere, Mars is constantly bombarded by deadly radiation. Living on the surface would be like living inside a nuclear reactor. Global dust storms, storms that can last for months, covering solar panels and turning day into perpetual night. Imagine being without power for months, on a planet where everything is trying to kill you. The self-sufficiency challenge colonists will need to produce their own oxygen, water, fuel, and food using only Martian rocks and ice. It's like trying to build an entire civilization from scratch, but in a radioactive desert. So, when will we actually get to Mars? The reality is, Musk isn't just building a rocket, he's solving problems humanity has never faced. Every delay is actually an advance in disguise. 2025 to 2027, first uncrewed cargo missions. If all goes well, 2029 to 2032. First crewed mission, more realistic. 2035 to 2040, first permanent colony optimistic. But here's what Musk understands, and few admit. It's not just about getting to Mars, it's about getting there and surviving long enough to establish a backup civilization. The question isn't whether Elon Musk will reach Mars, it's whether humanity will survive long enough to see it happen. Every day that passes is one more day our species remains vulnerable to total extinction. Every Starship test, every explosion, every delay brings us closer to becoming a multiplanetary species. Musk might be wrong about the deadlines, but he is absolutely right about the urgency. Mars isn't just our destination, it might be our only salvation. And the journey has already begun. If this analysis about the race to Mars has piqued your curiosity about humanity's future, subscribe to the channel for more revelations about our journey to the stars. Leave a comment. Do you believe we will reach Mars in the 2030s? And turn on notifications, because the next big update about Mars might change everything we know about our future as a species.